So today I'm really excited to be unboxing this Nendoroid of Doremi Harukaze from Ojamajo Doremi, or if you have lived in the US and then you watch 4Kids, it's actually Magical Doremi. It was known as Magical Doremi and her name was Dori. And I'm really excited because when I heard that Good Smile Company was making Nendoroids for Magical Doremi, and I will refer to that one just because I'm more used to that because that's what I grew up with, I was just like, what decade are we living in? Because I never expected that any of these kind of magical girls would get Nendoroids, and they came out with all the other Nendoroids that will be coming soon, and I pre-ordered those because I'm just really excited. So I bought her off of AmiAmi, and AmiAmi is a cool site where you can buy figures and kind of other goods from Japan directly, and I don't usually use AmiAmi, but for her I decided to because she was the only place that I could buy her from in the realm of where I usually buy figures from, and I'm really excited to open her, so I will stop talking and I'll open her right now. So here's Dori out of the box, and I know I'm going to be kind of using the English name, and that's not the one that she's called in Japanese, but I think I'm just used to it, so if I slip, sorry, but I'm just really excited for this. So Dori comes with 3 faces: her standard face, a really cheerful face, and a crying face. And what I really like right now about this Nendoroid is that it comes with a lot of arms and arm pieces, as well as leg pieces, as well as a broom, the signature wand, and the witch. I forget the name, I will look it up, but this is if you have not watched Doremi, basically the reason why Dori and all of her friends become witches, except for the last 2, which I'm blanking out their names, which are the purple and the yellow witch, is because she was originally a witch, but because she was discovered by Dori and her 3 friends, their English names are Mirabelle and Renee, but because she was found out, she was turned into this green kind of frog looking thing. But other than that, I will get to the unboxing more and so showing these poses, and I'm just really excited for this. So yeah, let me switch to the clip. So now I showed you all the poses that she comes with, that Dori comes with, and I have to say I'm really happy for this figure. I think I paid around $40 to $50 for this Nendoroid, and I'm impressed because it comes with so many things, and it's such a nice figure with the hair and has a lot of body parts. It also has the witch, and if I wouldn't have to say anything negative about it, but that's just, I guess, how this pose is. The pose that she's currently in, where she's on the broom, is probably more of the difficult pose to put her in, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep her in this pose because it is nice. It's just I had to do a lot of like readjustment when it had to come to like the arms, and then the arms would fall off if I tried to put in the broom. But other than that, this figure, I'm really happy with this figure. If you are a really big fan of magical girls, I know especially Doremi, I would totally get this figure if it's still available. And I don't know, I'm just so happy again that Good Smile did figures for this anime, which I never thought would get Nendoroids. Oh, maybe, and eventually they'll do more older animes like Tokyo Mew, who knows. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!